My man. I call him my husband, my baby father. Okay. Alright guys, workout over. We're heading to the mall.
$2. You want one?
What?
A berry hibiscus or a tropical punch? Do you want one?
A big old drink for $22?
$2.
Oh.
How often do you see a drink for $2 nowadays?
Often. Going to the mall. I'm gonna go get my friend a birthday gift at Macy's. They don't have to know my friend's name. I don't want to disclose that information. Is it hood of me to be out with my bonnet? I look like a chef.
Have your bonnet on. It's a disgrace to black people.
It's a disgrace to black people. They be alright. Ooh. Which one should I get her? I think I'm gonna get her this one, guys. It's the Valentino. That's the one I wanted to get her. Cause I have the smell. I like it. I think it will go with her. I don't know how these smell, so I can't. I don't know about these, but this one. You had to get the perfume. Did you want a perfume? We have enough perfumes.
Yeah, there's enough.
Hello. Oh, it smells good.
What are you doing? Don't you want to smell this?
Yes, right here.
Oh,
Victor?
Oh no, I thought that's what it was. Never mind.
It's like yeah, I think I'm gonna get her this one. Should I get it like that? Can I wrap it up? Ooh. Okay, this one smells really good. I'm gonna get this one myself.
Oh, dang. What is that, flour?
I don't know, but I like it.
What is that?
Valentino. Dang, I wish I had already getting ready.
Getting ready?
Gotten ready. Ooh, girl, I want to get it.
Let me see. I'm sorry.
Can't stop. I want it to smell.
That's the one I had, remember? That's the one I get. I be finishing now. That's the one I gave her for the craziness.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, good thing I'm early. Did it go through?
Yeah.
Morning, ladies. How are you? How you doing? Good, thank you.
And just ask for your signature, babe.
Yeah, that's one. Can I get a gift bag?
You know the good stuff.
Huh, Ira? This is the best ever. Mom was up. Remember I bought it for myself as a
$10, Macy's money.
Yay.
It's good for a month.
Yeah, I'll be back. Ooh, good Good morning, beautiful people. You guys, I'm supposed to be somewhere at 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. I'm running late, you know. I didn't get to put on my lashes. I don't know if I want to put on lashes now. I'm like 15 minutes away. This is bad. Somebody gonna let me merge? Yo, I'm so late. I'm supposed to be there at 12. I'm getting there at 12:26. Oh my gosh. What's going on? You guys like the hair? My friend dyed it for me. My stylist, I'm sorry. Yeah. We're heading to downtown Fort Lauderdale. One of my friends, her birthday weekend. So yesterday we went to Giselle, Miami. Today is the park. She's having a picnic. So we wear a shade of pink. So I got this dress from Shein. It's actually pretty cute. I think I might keep it. Okay. Alright you guys, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Let me step on it.
All the dogs will be drunk the rest of the day.
Don't forget that your spot ciders. You help Mario with.
Oh yes.
Okay. Yeah, you can get a TP.
I was trying to put my initials, but
23.
I'm gonna take a video of yours. I like the way yours is like that though. Like if you finish the skin with the red lip, it's nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I didn't know we was just. You know, we was, I'm like, let me open this one. Let me open this one.
Hi guys. It's giving side boob action. You already know how it is. I had to lower it down along with my Spanx so I could get that effect. You already know. These shades, you guys, I got them from Amazon. Picnic was so beautiful. It was so nice. I think I'm gonna go home and record a Shein haul. I got this outfit from Shein. At this point, y'all just gonna have to see this little thing right here. Hello?
How you doing?
What's up? Alright, you guys. So based on the lighting, you can tell that we are about to record this Shein haul while I still have makeup. You guys, my pimple, it looked like it got bigger about an hour. So let's just go ahead and record this clothing haul. Whole box full of items from Shein. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna return. So I'll see you guys once I'm done. It's giving a little bit sophisticated. It's giving a little bit like, you know, she's ready for the winter. It's giving a little, you know, whatever. It's giving. I like it. And it's making me hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Alright, you guys, so we are done with the haul. Mission accomplished. You guys, like, we're done. Oh, that's our problem. Okay. We're done with the haul. We're back into our normal self. You know what I'm saying? Normal self. You know what that means. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take off my makeup. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna start to declutter my closet. I was gonna record, but it's like so much and I don't feel like I'm gonna be done today. So like, I don't know. I have so much stuff. Like, there's clothes like in between. There's clothes in between. There's a big old one down there. And then I have 2 bins under my bed. And I have like 4 bags in the laundry room. What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. So I'm trying to yeah, I'm trying to clean it out. And it's time to clean it out. So y'all, I don't think I know how to declutter because I'm looking at all these outfits like what is wrong with me? I'm looking at all of these outfits like I wear that. Like I wear them. I just don't be seeing them, but I be wearing them. Like I wore this one time. I wore this sweater one time. It was cute. I don't even think I have a lot of clothes. I just don't have space for it. That's really the girl math. Like, you know? Y'all, why I ain't did nothing? Eat my apple. About to drink some tea and water. But I'm gonna finish this because I'm washing some clothes. I just put some clothes in the dryer, in the washer, and the dryer. I'm gonna be done with this. It is almost, it's like 11:30. I didn't really do too much. Well, they're no longer on the floor. They're like on the bed now. I still have my makeup on. I don't know why, and it still looks kind of good. The pimple is like, it got bigger about an hour, y'all. Like the pimple got bigger about an hour. Yeah, so now all these clothes I have on the bed, I'm trying to see what I can fold and what I'm gonna hang up. So I decided I purge a little bit. I'm going by season, so like we're in the fall season, so I'm gonna get the dark color clothes and hang them up at the top. So yeah. Hey guys, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Like I just mentioned, I'm watching, about to go to sleep. I did the best I could. My sheets are being washed, but I'm so tired. I'm just gonna lay down. I have to be at church in less than 6 hours, so I'll get some rest. And then I'll see you guys in a few hours. I'm tired.
C'est pico, cadeau, Yves. Vous dites, ah bah, là, dis bon Dieu, travail là, continuer, dis bon Dieu, alléluia, fortifier, dis bon Dieu.
We are home. I made a good amount of progress from yesterday. I'm gonna try my best to try to finish it today or this week, to be honest with you. Church was good. Church was great. Yeah, it's always a beautiful day to be in the house of the Lord because I have to like try to put this down. You know, it's glueless, but I'm trying to keep it as glueless as possible. I'm hungry. I'm gonna try to see what I can do with all of this. Try to hang up some more clothes see what I can do before I have to go back to church. So yeah. Alright, you guys, church is just finished. Such a busy day, I didn't get to record. We're about to leave. I think I got everything. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. Hi guys, we're home sweet home. I am a grease ball over here. Okay, gonna make it quick. Ooh, hey girl. Yeah, I'm about to finish this mess that I created. I'll probably show you guys the end product. This was a great week. I was able to celebrate my friend's birthday, so it was nice. Able to give God praise. This week, you guys, you will be proud. I wasn't too delulu. I'm just letting God act, you know. So I have a crush or I like someone, but I'm like, you know, at my big old age, I should be able to be like, listen, I like you, I want to get to know you more. But I always have this thing like, if you like me, you will like come up and let me know that you like me or whatever. But I pray for the person, and I pray that, you know, God, if it's not for me, then decrease my intensity of likeness for them. Or I just pray for them, you know, like in due timing. If it's God's will, then that person will be for me. And if it's not God's will, God always knows what's best. So sometimes we may not understand, but like they say in Creole, P devant our way, like moving on, like, you know, further in life, you will see the reason why things happen or didn't happen. So anyways, I'm still delulu for my man. I call him my husband, my baby father. Okay, I'm just claiming it. But as long as it aligns to God's will. Anyways, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, and I hope you have a great week. I pray that you put God first, continue to put him first, and you will never be last. Trust in God, lean in on him, get into his word. The year is almost over. We're still here by the grace of God. We're not better than those who did not make it. It's all God's grace, all of his grace. It's by God's grace we're still here. We are on extended grace, and I'm grateful. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. Put God first. And if you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. But yeah, you guys, I don't know, I just think he's so cute. I just feel like he's so, you know, like he's a man of God. I was like, yes, Lord, this is what I want. I wanted to do like a video talking about like relationships and stuff, and you know, your girl's turning to big 0. I may not look it, but you know, that's grace, baby. That's God's grace. I've been trying to work out. I've been trying to, you know, eat healthier. Trying to just, you know, I'm trying to be snatched. So when I turn this big old age, well, it's not really big, but it's big to me. Well, it's big because it's like you're leaving the 2s and entering whatever come after 2, only by the grace of God. So I want to prep for that. I want to be healthy. I want to be, you know, confident. I want to be everything that God has destined for me to be. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to that 1K before the year is over. I believe we can do it. Okay, we're still French girlies here. Like, who is she? And thank you so much for watching and for keeping up with my weekend. I appreciate it. Comment down below. Don't forget, I try to post twice a week, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.